Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel Create Your Own Website. Today in this video I will show you how to change your WordPress theme. It's very easy, just watch this video to the end. But before we start this video, I invite you to visit our YouTube channel Create Your Own Website and subscribe and like this video and share it with your friend. Let's get started. Hello everyone and welcome again. So like you see here, this is our WordPress website, and this is the design by default that come in our WordPress website when we install it for the first time in the web hosting. Okay, so when you buy your web hosting and you install WordPress for the first time, it will come with the default design like this, simple design or simple theme. Okay, now I will show you how to change this theme by default, okay, or how to choose any theme you want for your WordPress website. You go to your dashboard, then you go to appearance and click on themes. Now we have just 3 themes that installed in our website by default always, okay, and we have this one activate. Okay, so to add another, we click on add new. Okay, and you will find here a lot of WordPress themes, free themes that you can use on your WordPress website for free. Okay, okay, we will search for the Astra theme. Okay, like we see here, so this is the Astra theme. We click on install to install the theme, then we wait for a moment and we click on activate to activate this theme. And like we see here, we have install and activate the Astra theme. Okay, like we see here, we have 4 themes. Okay, this is the 3 that come in by default, and this is the Astra theme that we have installed now and activated. Okay, if we visit the website, we will see that we have changed our website theme. Okay, so this is the way how to change your WordPress website theme. Okay, I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel and like this video and share it with your friend. See you next time.